Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile gadgets you can own, seamlessly blending fitness tracking, communication, and convenience right on your wrist. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to monitor your workouts with precision, a busy professional needing to stay connected on the go, or simply someone who appreciates the elegance of technology, a smartwatch offers a personalized experience that adapts to your lifestyle. From tracking your heart rate and sleep patterns to receiving notifications and even making contactless payments, these devices are designed to simplify your daily routines and empower you with valuable insights into your health and activities, making them an indispensable tool in today's fast-paced world. Number 5. Max Sports Heavy-Duty Folding Wagon. Introducing the Max Sports Heavy-Duty Folding Wagon, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures and everyday tasks. It sets up in seconds with no assembly required, making it incredibly convenient. Despite its large interior capacity, this wagon folds down to a mere 8 inches thick for easy storage. It even comes with a handy carry case, perfect for taking it anywhere. Don't let its size fool you, this wagon boasts a heavy-duty steel frame capable of carrying loads up to 150 pounds. The durable fabric is also easy to clean after use. It features an adjustable handle for effortless transport and 2 built-in mesh cup holders to keep your drinks secure. Transporting your gear has never been easier. This wagon is perfect for hauling equipment to sporting events, concerts, or park trips. It's also incredibly useful around the house or at farmers markets. Crafted from durable 600 denier polyester fabric, it's built to last and simple to wipe clean after each use. Enjoy reliable performance season after season. What we like. This cart sets up in seconds with no assembly required, perfect for hauling gear to events or around the house. If you need a versatile wagon that's easy to store and can handle a good amount of weight, this is a great choice for outdoor activities or general utility. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and well made, with a durable frame that can hold a lot of weight. It's incredibly easy to assemble, taking only a few minutes to put together without any tools required. The large wheels make it easy to maneuver over various terrains, including grass and gravel. Number 4. Max Sports Collapsible Outdoor Wagon. Introducing the ultimate solution for carrying your essentials. This wagon sets up in seconds with no assembly required, making it incredibly convenient. With a large capacity, it easily holds all your gear. The interior dimensions are generous, providing ample space for everything you need. When not in use, it folds down to a remarkably slim profile, just 8 inches thick. It even comes with a handy carry case for transport. This heavy-duty wagon supports up to 150 pounds, thanks to its robust frame. The durable fabric is easy to clean and resistant to UV and mildew. It features an adjustable handle for comfortable steering and 2 mesh cup holders to keep your drink secure. This wagon is ideal for sporting events, concerts, park trips, or even around the house. It makes transporting your gear a breeze. What we like. This wagon also sets up instantly and offers a generous capacity for your items. If you're looking for a durable option that can withstand the elements and is easy to transport and store, this is ideal for beach trips or park outings. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and well-built, capable of holding a significant amount of weight. Its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use, and it unfolds quickly for convenient deployment. The wheels are smooth-rolling and maneuverable, allowing for effortless transport across various surfaces. Number 3. Gorilla Carts 4CUF The Poly Garden Dump Cart. Introducing the Gorilla Carts Poly Garden Dump Cart. It's designed to make your gardening tasks easier than ever before. With a spacious 4 cubic foot capacity, this cart provides ample room for all your gardening essentials. Transporting soil, plants, or tools has never been so hassle-free. Don't let the size fool you. It can handle up to 600 pounds of heavy items, thanks to its robust construction and large bed. Crafted with a durable poly bed that resists rust and a smart steel frame, this cart is built for long-lasting use. Assembly is quick, and maneuverability is enhanced. Unloading has never been easier. Its patented quick-release dump mechanism makes emptying the cart fast and effortless. Gorilla Carts has a long history of providing reliable and high-quality outdoor tools. Trust us to help you complete your projects with confidence and convenience. What we like. Boasting a substantial 4 cubic foot tub and a 600-pound capacity, this cart makes hauling heavy loads a breeze. If you're tackling large gardening projects or need to move significant amounts of material, its quick-release dump feature will save you a lot of effort. What people say. The cart is sturdy and well-built, capable of holding a significant amount of weight. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes with clear instructions. The wheels maneuver smoothly over various surfaces, including carpet and hardwood floors. Number 2. Olympia Tools 85 to 188 Pack and Roll Folding Service Cart. Introducing the Pack and Roll Service Cart from Olympia Tools. Keep all your essential tools and equipment organized and in one place. It features a secure locking mechanism to prevent accidental collapse and boasts an impressive 150 pounds capacity. This cart is designed for ultimate portability. Its 3 collapsible shelves offer ample space for tools, files, or garden supplies. When not in use, it folds down to a mere 8 inches for easy storage. Crafted for longevity, this cart is made to last through all your home, garage, and industrial projects. Its professional-grade quality ensures it can handle demanding tasks with ease. Olympia Tools offers a comprehensive range of equipment to tackle any task. From bolt cutters to wrenches, we engineer the right tools to help you get the job done efficiently. We are committed to providing superior instruments for construction, woodworking, and home repair. Expect quality and innovation in every tool we offer. Whether you're working on mechanical maintenance or home repairs, this cart is an indispensable companion. It simplifies the process of moving your gear wherever you need it. What we like. This service cart keeps all your essentials in one place with its 3 spacious shelves and a secure locking mechanism. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional needing to organize tools and equipment for maintenance or projects, this cart offers convenient portability and stability. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and well-made, with a strong frame that can hold a lot of weight. The wheels are large and durable, making it easy to maneuver over various terrains, including grass and gravel. The folding mechanism is simple and convenient, allowing for quick setup and takedown. Number 1. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Cart. Discover how to make the most of every inch in your home. This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, solving your storage challenges. Its clever tiered design accommodates items of all sizes, from tall bottles to daily essentials. Everything has its place, keeping your space tidy. With 360-degree swivel casters, moving and organizing your belongings is a breeze. Tidy up your home with ease and flexibility. Set up your new organizer in under 10 minutes with no tools required. Customize the shelves and even remove the wheels for a stationary option. This lightweight yet sturdy cart is built to last. The breathable mesh design prevents moisture buildup, keeping your items dry and rust-free. From the bathroom to the kitchen, laundry room, or even small spaces, this cart solves storage headaches everywhere. It's the perfect organizer for any room. Its narrow profile is ideal for tucked-in stability, making it a perfect gap-filling solution. Use it between furniture or against walls for maximum efficiency. What we like. Measuring just 4.9 inches wide, this cart is designed to slide into the narrowest of spaces, perfect for organizing tight areas. If you're struggling with limited space in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room and need a mobile organizer that's easy to assemble and keeps items dry, this is the solution. What people say. The cart is easy to assemble and very sturdy. It holds a lot of items and rolls smoothly. The design is sleek and it fits perfectly in my kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.